Create distinct zones in the kitchen so several people can prepare breakfast at once without bumping into each other. Design a layout that divides the space into at least 3 functional stations such as hot toast and oven area, warm beverage and espresso area, and a cold assembly area for fruit, cereal, and spreads. Place the hot station against a wall with 2 integrated toaster ovens installed into the lower and upper cabinetry at comfortable heights so one person can toast while another uses the small oven. Include a shallow toaster drawer for quick one-handed access and a removable crumb tray for fast cleanup. For the beverage station, install a dedicated coffee and espresso footprint with a separate cold beverage spigot or built-in juice dispenser and under-counter refrigeration for milk and cream, so drinks are made without crossing paths. Design the cold assembly zone with a lower counter for cereal dispensers and a bread storage drawer that has dividers and a cutout for bagged items. Add open shelves above for jams and spreads that someone can reach from the side. Route utilities so that each station has its own pair of electrical circuits and a grounded outlet group, and plan plumbing for the beverage spigot and a small instant hot water tap to speed tasks. Use durable, easy-to-clean surfaces such as honed quartz or porcelain tile on counters and a textured, non-slip floor finish to reduce spills and falls on busy mornings. Common problems are traffic bottlenecks when everyone tries to crowd a single faucet or counter, so create parallel workflows and duplicate key appliances so people naturally spread out. Another issue is crumbs, spills, and sticky counters that slow the line, so use pull-out trash and a dedicated crumb tray under the toaster, plus quick access cleaning supplies in a shallow drawer next to each station for immediate wipe down. A third concern is electrical overload and tripped breakers mid-rush, so separate circuits for toasters and beverage machines and place high-draw appliances on their own breaker to avoid interruptions. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners discover ideas like these and connect with local contractors who can build custom multi-user breakfast zones. We also help contractors find work, and we host a discussion community where we and other members share plans, product recommendations, and real-world layout tips.